Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 5:45 a.m. At 5:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Darien, or near Delavon Lake, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and buildings. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Delavon Lake, Walworth, Fontana-on-Geneva Lake, Darien, Como, Potter Lake, Kell Lake, Powers Lake, Honors Lake, Burlington, Delavon, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange and Honey Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 a.m. Tuesday morning for southeast Wisconsin.